working with Anita has really helped me learn the strategy behind video marketing and YouTube marketing for my business as a photographer and a food blogger. And not just to put out videos, but the strategy behind the video and how to create things that people want to see. And I just really value all of the lessons that I have learned from her and all the time and energy that she put in to help me understand this concept and really utilize this concept in my business, and just the ever growing, always going support that she has had for me and with me in my business and video marketing ideas and anything moving forward. So thank you, Anita, and she's awesome.